Braid, is this your bathtub? He's 6 months old and in his bathtub. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You playing around? You have a fishy? Look at the duck. You're in your ducky tub. Is this fun? You like taking baths? Yeah. Bath time fun.
Buddy. What are you doing, buddy? Yeah. You having fun, bud? Yeah. Did he scratch his arm?